Hello, kindergartners. I hope you had a great weekend, a great long weekend. Today is Tuesday, and we are going to be working on counting this week in math. So I'm going to move the camera down where you can see. I've got several different things that we're going to count today. So I have some packages of crackers. Can you count these crackers with me? I have 1, 2. So this is 2 packages of crackers. If they're turned this way, is it still 2 packages of crackers? This is still 2 packages of crackers. No matter how they're turned or which way they're facing or if one's upside down, it's still 2. Alrighty. I've also got some lemons. I know they kind of look like limes right now because they're not completely ripe yet, but they are lemons. Let's count the lemons together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 lemons. If I count starting over here, how many lemons do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it doesn't matter which way you start counting, no matter which way you go, it's still 4 lemons. So if I stack them like this, how many lemons do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let me take one away here. How many lemons do I have now? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 lemons. Is that how many you counted? Good. All right, now I have some leaves since it is fall. Here we go. Let me lay out some leaves here for us to count. Okay, can you see all of those leaves? Let me get my lemons out of the picture there. Okay, let's count how many leaves I have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 leaves here. How many red leaves do I have? How many leaves are red? I want you to count and then we'll check it. Count the red leaves. All right, we have 1, 2. So there are 2 red leaves. How many leaves are yellow? So like this color, yellow. How many of the leaves are yellow? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 yellow leaves. What about red? How many red leaves do you see? I'm sorry, I already asked about red. What about orange? These are the orange ones. How many orange leaves do you see? 1, 2. There are 2 orange leaves. Okay, let me mix them up and take some away here. All right, how many leaves do I have now? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 leaves. What if I line them up like this? How many leaves do I have now? I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. I didn't take any away or add any to what I already had, so it stayed the same. It's still 4. I can count 4 starting over to the left and going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I can start even over here on the right and go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could start in the middle and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't matter where I start counting or which direction I go, I still have 4. Okay, let me put several different objects out now. All right, how many objects do we have? Hold on, let's add one more lemon here. How many objects do I have all together? Okay, if you need more time to count, press pause on the video, and I'm going to go ahead and check it. Press play when you're done. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 objects on the table. How many of the objects are lemons? Press pause and count the lemons. 1, 2, 3 of the objects are lemons. How many of the objects are cracker packages? How many crackers? 1, 2. There are 2 packages of crackers. How many of the objects are leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4 leaves. Okay, so just remember, anytime you count, use your finger to make sure that you count every single object. And don't forget, no matter where you start counting, you should still get the same amount. Okay, so see if you can practice counting a few things around your house. See you next time. Bye.